Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to master the ultimate prompt formula in Nano Banana Gemini. In Nano Banana, if you are a beginner and still confused about how to write good prompts to get amazing results, don't worry, this guide is for you. Okay, let's get started. First, what is Nano Banana? Nano Banana is an image editing feature inside Gemini that lets you edit or reimagine or transforms your images using text prompts. You can change styles, outfits, backgrounds, lightings, or or more or expressions, almost anything just by describing it properly. And that's why prompting is everything. Most people type something very simple like maybe uh, make this image better and many more, and then they wonder why the result looks random or boring. The problem is not the tool, it's the prompt structure. So let me show you a simple but powerful prompt formula that you can use every time. At first, I will upload my image that I want to edit for the on this tutorial. For example like this, and then I will copy my prompt that I have prepared before like this. And then here's the formula. The formula is subject plus actions plus styles, details, and quality. Let's break it down. First, subject. It's what or who is in the image. For example, in here, this dog, this cat, like this. Just match it to your photo, like maybe a portrait photo or this person and many more. And then next, actions or change. It's what you want to edit. For example, reimagine as human, or edit it into the Polaroid photo, or changing the background to a studio and many more. And then next, it has styles formula. is this is the visual vibe. For example, in here, realistic styles, or maybe cinematic, anime styles, oil painting, or maybe a studio and many more. And the next, details. it it's it is this is the small things that make it better, like soft lighting, or sharp facial details, natural skin texture, and another details. And then next, it has quality, that always add make sure you always add quality words. For example, in high resolution, 4K, ultra detail, or maybe professional quality like this. And like the final tips, just be clear, not long for no reasons, and always mention style and quality. And if the result isn't perfect, just tweak the details, or just regenerate your prompt, and then just regenerate your image. And when you're done about the prompt in here, just tap on generate. Like this, you'll get the perfect result like this if your prompt has good formula. And okay, that's how you can master Nano Banana prompting as a beginner. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.